What's up, guys? I'm King Hastings, and if you want your Call of Duty game chat to sound like this,
Yeah, you tell him, Cardi B.
Corner camper.
What the fuck? Hey, bro, do that shit again?
Search and destroy.
What's up?
Grab the bomb. Destroy.
Ah, that shit loud as fuck, bro.
or if you just want to troll people,
Switches on.
Ain't no mic
It's
in the
just a
world sounds
voice
like that. If
changer.
it sounds like that, that shit is
Search and
fucked up.
destroy.
Like, it shouldn't
It's-
even work. So,
this is the video for you. Because today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to use the voice changer on your Xbox or your PlayStation. Basically, all you're really going to need is the right headset and an aux cord and a device, whether it's a PC or it's a phone that has a voice changer application on it. So basically, we're just going to be taking the sound from the voice changer, whether it's on a phone or it's on PC, and we're going to plug it straight into the microphone port on your headset, and that's pretty much going to be all we need to do. But before I go into detail on my setup, I just want to cover a few quick little things. First, if this video helps you set up your voice changer and you found it helpful, please let me know in the comments, and also don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Second, if you want to see what my voice changer setup actually sounds like and the reactions that I get from people, check out that playlist. But other than that, let's go. Okay, so here's what you're going to need: a headset and an aux cord. Now, for my particular setup, I have a USB to 3.5 millimeter jack female port, because all the aux ports on my computer are actually currently being used by speakers and headphones and things like that. So I went ahead and just bought a USB conversion cable. That way I'm almost adding an extra aux port to my PC. So that's what that extra cord is, but it is not necessary as long as you have an aux port available on your PC or on your phone or whatever device you're using that has the voice changer on it. And what we're going to actually do is we're going to unplug the microphone from our headset. This is your microphone input port. This is where we're going to have the voice changer audio going into the headset. So as you can see, it uses a 3.5 millimeter jack, just like an aux cord would. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our aux cord and we're going to plug it into our microphone input port on the headset. And for me, in this situation, I'm going to have to plug it into my conversion cable. But like I said, if you don't need this and you actually have an aux port available on your PC, or you're using the voice changer piece from your phone or other device, you can just plug it straight in, so long as they actually have an aux female port available. And so for me, since I'm using a PC, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cord and I'm going to plug it into my PC and fire up my voice changer application. So here's what it looks like now. We've got the USB, aka our aux cord, going from the PC into the microphone port on our headset. So in my situation, I'm using the voice mod application. It's like I said, this is a free tool. It is great. I highly recommend this application. Okay, so if you are deciding to use this voice mod application, you're going to want to go to your settings. And from here, you see you have your input and your output. Your input is the microphone that you're going to be using for your voice changer. So in my case, I have an external microphone that I use when I'm streaming or doing videos like this. You probably saw it in the intro. That is the microphone I'm selecting for input. And for your output, basically you just need to make sure you select the correct device that's associated with the cord going to your headset. And once again, if you're using this voice mod application, make sure that the Hear Myself and voice changer sliders are turned on. Otherwise, if you don't have the Hear Myself setting on, it's not going to ring back through your headset. And obviously, if you don't have the voice changer slider on, your voice is not going to sound any different. It's just going to be using the clear voice. So to sum up what our settings look like, we have our voice changer via phone or PC or any type of device that has the voice changer on it. You're going to be going out to the microphone port of your headphones. And then from there, your game chat will be fed into your Xbox, PlayStation, or PC. Granted, if you have a PC, This is probably a little bit of overkill for you because you probably don't need it. You can just set your Discord application input for your microphone. You can just select the voice mod application or whatever app that you're using as your voice changer. And that's all I got. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.